Positioning, the new concept in the marketing. Positioning is fitting the product or service to one or more segment of the broad market in such a way as to set it apart from the competition. In the advertisement of Brood Bees uses benefit positioning strategy by comparing the ingredients in its lip balm to that of its competitors. 5R Energy positions itself as an energy shot by promoting its vitamins, nutrition, zero sugar, and low calories. It sets itself apart from its competitors. The firm uses positioning by product attributes and benefits positioning strategy. Salient attributes. Sometimes a product may be positioned on more than one product benefit. Marketers attempt to identify salient attributes, those that are important to consumers and are the basis of making a purchase decision. Types of positioning strategies. The companies can position their products in the minds of consumers through their product attributes and benefits. Like you have this much megapixel camera in our phone, it is user friendly. Then it can also do as per price and quality, that it is of a high quality, it is at such a low price. Then user and application, how the application and how it can be used easily. Product class, it is of an economic class, it is high class. Product user, then competitor, they compare in the advertisement. Cultural symbols, and the company can also do by repositioning strategy. Types of positioning strategy against the advertisement campaign. We have family oriented specialty stores offering good values. We have small business owners that are users and use. There are numerous product uses, application, product class, user, and cultural symbols. Repositioning. Repositioning a product usually occurs because of declining or stagnant sales or because of anticipated opportunities in other market positions. As we have seen many years back, Maggie did its repositioning by coming back with a new version into the market. So with this, we end up with one more concept, that is positioning under integrated marketing communication concept.